Disease in Andhra's Eluru. 555 people have been left affected while 448 have been discharged so far. One life has been claimed as well. A three-member central team meanwhile visited Eluru to take stock of the situation. My colleague Aneri getting you all the details in these ground reports.
Well, the mysterious disease which has been spreading among the people now, the number of people have been affected is crossed 500 mark, and we are here in Eluru District Hospital where people are getting admitted and the number of cases increasing is now a cause of worry. Well, today they say that there are nearly 25 people who were admitted, and as per this records, as on treatment, there are nearly 153 people by yesterday's date and also 161. So nearly 300 people are currently undergoing treatment. But yes, the doctors say that there are few people who are getting discharged. As of now, officially, according to the health bulletin, one person have been succumbed due to this mysterious disease which has been spreading, and also as you can see, people undergoing treatment here. Yes, the officials have sent their reports, the freshwater reports to for treatment, for further inspection whether there is any kind of disease in the water, but the reports say that it's normal, and also samples have been sent to CCMB Hyderabad for further checkup of molecular analysis so that we what is the exact reason of this particular disease and what kind of disease it is, so that it is known very properly. As of now, people undergoing treatment here in Eluru district of West Godavari, and also the few features of this disease is said to be anxiety, vomitings, unconsciousness, and also various other reasons are to be known in this particular disease. As you can see, people undergoing treatment here, and also one person has been succumbed. Health officials are asked to be on high alert. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy also visited the hospital and also interacted with the patients and assured that all kind of support will be given to the patients. We are here in Eluru district where NIN, that is National Institute of Nutrition, is taking a household survey and collecting samples in regard with the infectious disease which has been spreading. Well, we do not know what is the major reason for the spread of this disease, but yes, till now nearly 540 people have been infected, and also now we can see NIN doing a household survey, taking all the data, collecting samples of food, water, and food items, vegetables and various other commodities which are being used on daily basis. Well, water samples also have been collected, as it is said that main reason could be the water contamination, but still we are awaiting the results of the reports which are being collected. And as you can see, water sample being collected here by the NIN team, and later after 5 days we will be seeing reports coming out and will exactly know what is the reason for the spread of this disease, and also what exactly went wrong and what happened. Why are there so many people who are getting infected? Well, doctors say that it is not spreading from one person to other person, but still the number of cases have been increasing, and that is a cause of concern. Well, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, has given all kind of assurance to the patients, saying that they will receive all kind of help from the government's end. As the mysterious disease which is being spreading in Eluru district of Andhra Pradesh, well, now there are such teams which have been put up in various areas for an emergency help to the people here. In case any kind of emergency is needed, then these are the medical treatment which are given by the local doctors here. We'll also try and speak to them and know what exactly is happening here. तो मैडम आप बताइए यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है, इसका कारण क्या है, ये जो डिजीज फैल रही है, मेन सिम्टम्स क्या है इसके?
సిమ్టమ్స్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ మేడం, తర్వాత అన్కాన్షియస్ అవుతున్నారు, హెల్దీ పర్సన్సే అన్కాన్షియస్ అవుతున్నారు మేడం. తర్వాత ఎమర్జెన్సీగా మరి వాళ్ళకి అంబులెన్స్లో వాళ్ళని తీసుకెళ్ళి హాస్పిటల్లో అడ్మిట్ చేస్తున్నాం మేడం. అక్కడ 1 డే ఉంటేనే వాళ్ళ మళ్ళా సేమ్ నార్మల్ పొజిషన్స్కి వచ్చేస్తున్నారు మేడం, హెల్దీ పొజిషన్ అవుతున్నారు, మళ్ళీ డిశ్చార్జ్ పెట్టేస్తున్నారు మేడం.
So as she was saying that these medical emergency treatments have been set up in each and every ward of Elur district, so that in case any person who falls ill and immediately needs a medical treatment, so they can provide this emergency treatment to the patients. And also the main symptom what she was trying to say is that the healthy people are falling unconscious and they are becoming unhealthy, but within 1 or 2 days they are also recovering. But at the same time, they have been set up such emergency wards in various locations in Elur district, so that emergency medical treatment is being provided until and unless the patient reaches to the hospital. We are here in Elur the Government District Hospital, where number of cases have been increasing for the mysterious disease, which, we do not know what's the reason of the spread. We are here joined in by Joint Collector of Elur District. Sir, what's the current situation now? And we see the number of cases increasing. So what's exactly the situation now?
Till now, we have received around 550 cases. However, the situation is under control because number of active patients as of now is 174, and the number is more like a sine curve. Now it is flattening. The curve is going down. We never exceeded the number of 200. So number of patients which are coming every day are reducing. Every 6-hour report also we are monitoring. The numbers have come down. We have done all kind of tests have been done. Yesterday, AIIMS has given a report whereby they have detected lead and nickel in the blood sample. So now we are moving backwards that what can be the sources for this. So already teams are have been deputed in the field. They are going around and finding the probable causes. However, water and milk, we have already tested for the heavy metals. So water did not had lead and nickel, and also milk also did not have it. So we are in touch with the AIIMS special team. They will be arriving in next 2 hours from now. And they have already told us to take 40 new samples that have been already taken and sent to AIIMS New Delhi for further investigation.
Primarily, we tried to narrow the causes of the disease. We thought it could be a virus or a neurotoxin. In these lines only, we started treating. Either for the viral disease or a toxin disease, we have to go by symptomatic treatment only. So we are giving symptomatic and supportive treatment. That is sufficient for this disease. Yeah.
But when we speak about the reports which have been submitted to CCMB in Hyderabad, also few samples have been sent there. AIIMS also, we saw samples being sent. So what kind of reports, initial reports been coming out?
We try to send blood samples, urine samples, and also suspect samples from the water and the milk and the food. So we got most of the samples from the blood and the CSF. So these clearly they showed it is not an infective disease. So we are focusing more on toxic levels in the blood or this water and other edible things. So presently we are waiting for the reports from CCMB. We got some reports from the AIIMS New Delhi. So there is some clue, but the sample size is inadequate. So we sent more number of samples in the morning. So we collected almost 40.
What does that AIIMS report say?
AIIMS report is it is revealing that there are some 2 metals. The traces are more than normal acceptable levels in the blood of these patients. So we know some etiology now, but we want to identify the source from there where these levels have come to the patient's body.